Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today we are going to explain the complete setup for your Dreame X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner device. Watch the complete video. Let's start the setup process. Here are some precautions before use. Always move away unstable, fragile, valuable or dangerous items, and clean up cables, cloths, toys, hard objects and sharp objects on the ground to avoid being entangled, scratched, or knocked over by the robot and causing losses. Before cleaning, place a physical barrier at the edge of the stairs and sofa to ensure the secure and smooth operations of the robot. Open the door of the room to be cleaned, and put the furniture in its proper place to leave more space. To prevent the robot from not recognizing areas that need to be cleaned, do not stand in front of the robot, threshold, hallway, or narrow places. Setup guide: place the base station and connect to an electrical outlet. Install the ramp extension plate, then remove robot protections and install the mop assembly. Note: make sure that no objects might block the signaling area. To prevent water stains from wetting wood floors or carpets, placing the base station on tile floors or marble floors is recommended. Connect the robot to the base station. Add the clean solution. Add water to the clean water tank. Note: do not add hot water into the water tank, as this may cause the tank to become deformed. How to set up Dreame X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Download the Dreame Home app. Add device. Open the Dreame Home app, tap in the upper right corner, and scan the same QR code on the robot again to add the device. Please follow the prompts to finish the Wi-Fi connection. Note: only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported. Due to upgrades in the app software, the actual operations may differ from the directions in this video. Please follow the instructions based on the current app version. If you are facing any issue to set up your Dreame X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner or you need our technical assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.